How to sign up or create a Shopify account. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can create a Shopify account just in a few clicks. Please follow me till the end and let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So first you have to click the link in my description box, and once you click the link in my description box you're going to land over here on this website, and what you have to do is click start free trial. And after you click this button you're going to land over here on this very interface that is like loading in front of you. And once it's loaded, what you have to do is just get started with the questionnaire. You can skip these all or skip a particular question if you want to. If you want to like skip all of the questions, you can just click skip. Now I'm going to click I'm just starting, and then I'm just going to click next. These are not a lot of questions, but if you want to skip you can always do. So here I'm going to click online marketplace or an online store and then click next again. And then if you want to change the option that you chose, you can always click back, and then you have to like choose whatever you are like planning to sell. First I'm going to click drop shipping products and then click next. Here you have to select your region. You have all these regions available. I am going to select Pakistan and click next. And once you click your region and select it, you are going to land over here where you have to create a Shopify ID. I'm going to continue with my email, but you can also continue with Apple, Facebook or Google. I'm going to click continue with email. Here I'm just going to paste my email over here, and once I paste my email over here I'm going to come back. So here you can see that I have pasted my email in this email box, and now I'm going to just create a password for my email and make sure the strength is strong, and just click create Shopify ID and your account will be ready to use. You have just signed up. Now you can see here that my account is being created and it might take some moments, and once it's done we'll come back. So here you can see that my account is ready. I have signed up and this is my store. Or here you can see that I have created my store and I have this free trial that will end on September 19. And if I want to like select a plan, I can always click over here, and here you can see that right now a discount is running, and right now I have to pay $1 for like a month for 3 months. And here you can see that $1 for the Shopify one and $1 for the advanced one, and these are some payment methods, so you can always choose one of these. And the starter is the simplest way to start selling on social media and messaging apps with $1. You can choose a starter. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can create an account on Shopify. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.